What's up, everybody? This is Phuck with Philly, and we're here at the Art Album Gallery at the Paper Mill in Philadelphia. We're here to see some art, talk to some artists, be fancy as fuck, and this is Fancy and Ratchet.
Body flip, I make your body flip, I make your throat rip. Body flip, I make your body flip, I make your throat rip. Body flip.
Yeah! Alright, everybody, we're here with Audrey Ford, and she has an exhibit here, and she's going to be our correspondent for the day. She's going to be asking artsy questions. She's going to get to know the artist, and we're going to be here sitting doing nothing. So we'll tune in to Audrey.
Alright, Phuck with Philly, we got our next person up. I'm here today with...
Mic check 1 2 1 2.
1 2 1 2. How you doing?
Doing fine. This is actually my first art show, so I'm very excited.
This is your first art show. Alright, hold up. We gotta get a little pan over of his art real quick. It's his first show. Do you have any goals as an artist in 2020?
I just want to get my name out there. I want more people to like recognize my art and recognize me and like, you know, just show me love because I want to work.
You said you have a clothing brand too, right?
Yeah, it's called The Dope Brand. So, The Dope Brand.
The Dope Brand. At The Dope Brand. Follow him. Alright, Phuck with Philly, we got another one. I'm here with...
Hey.
How we doing tonight?
Great, how are you?
Good, good. Let's see. Very trippy. That's the first thing that comes to mind. You have any major themes within your work?
So right now it's like a eye-rolling thing going on. I'm drawn to drawing features too.
Have you been exhibiting your work for a while?
Nah, actually, kind of recently since I was like 23, 22 maybe. Yeah, since I'm in Philly.
Well, Phuck with Philly, we're here with someone I know today.
My name is Pedro. I'm with KARUNACOLLECTIVEART. So I started KARUNACOLLECTIVEART as a way for voices of Philadelphia to be heard. That's my main goal, is to have artists come to us. Karuna is Sanskrit for compassion, and collective is pretty much a collective of all equal minds coming together to share an equal, you know, voice.
Alright, we're here, we're about to get an ugly portrait done. We'll see who gets uglier. I have a feeling it's probably gonna be me. Unless you can make Ron look like the Apple Jacks box guy.
I probably can.
My man's, I feel that. We'll see about it.
I'll pay you double for making ugly as shit.
Don't listen to him, he's a fucking fraud. He doesn't even have double.
Double as shit.
He doesn't have double, bro.
I'll make it.
Let's just start making bets or something to fucking ask what's up.
Here, look. Who's going?
Alright, y'all, this is Phuck with Philly. We're leaving the Art Collective now, and now we're on our way to the raging 20s to meet up with our guest host, Mr. Keenan from Limbo. Alright, Joe, I'm here. What's this called, Keenan?
We got roaring 20s right now.
We're all fucked up!
This shit crazy. A lot of people in there be raging hard as shit, moshing. Shit fucked up.
So earlier we were fancy, but now we're about to be ratchet. Until next time, kids, this is Phuck with Philly.